Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Hi, Lucy. How are you?
Fine, and you?
Hello.
Yes, I'm fine, thank you. And you? How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I hope I'm audible properly, right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Could you please make me the host so I can share my presentation with you guys?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, we can see your screen. So just 2 minutes and I will start
Right.
the introduction.
Sure, definitely.
Okay, perfect.
Just let me know when to start, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
So if everyone is ready, I can start.
Right. Yeah, sure.
So hello everybody and welcome to our webinar about studying Canada at La Salle College. I'm Lucie Grenin-Berger. I'm an international marketing and communication assistant at Joining Campus France. This webinar is delivered by Mr. Dashrak Patel, International Recruitment Advisor at La Salle College, Quebec, Canada. La Salle College had 5 specialty schools with over 60 programs based on creativity, entrepreneurship, innovation, and openness to the world at the heart of its educational plan. You can solve all your queries and ask questions at the end of the session. Now I pass it over Mr. Darshak Patel.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Lucy, for giving me this opportunity to get in touch with all your partners. So, hello everyone. Myself Dashak Patel, and I am taking care of this LaSalle College, which is located in Canada. So, basically, LaSalle College comes under the LCA Education Network, where we have been working for all our campuses across the world. So starting with the LaSalle College, we have more than 23 campuses right now in the different 5 continents, and we have been recruiting international students for past 6 years. Specifically talking about the Canada, so there are two major campuses located in Canada. The first one is located in the Quebec province in Montreal City, and the second one is in British Columbia, Vancouver City. Both the campuses are having more than 60 programs, and we have been recruiting students to provide a good education at the LaSalle College. Now, we will talk about the first Montreal campus, which is located in Quebec province in Canada. So Montreal campus, it's the largest campus what we are having in Canada, where we have been offering more than 45 programs, and all the programs we have been offering at the 3 different level. That's what you call undergraduate diploma, postgraduate diploma, and the bachelor degree level programs. We are the only college located in whole North America where we have been offering all of our programs in bilingual, that is English and French both. Since Canada's first official language is English and the second official language is French. Second reason being Quebec, it's known as a French province. So that is the reason we have been offering all of our programs in bilingual for past 60 years. This is our campus located in Quebec province in Montreal City. Moving further, the first campus in the Montreal City was found in 1959. And as of now, we have a total number of students of 6,000. Out of that, 25% students are from the different nationalities. So you can say like 25% students are international. And all of our programs almost are eligible to get post-study work permit. So you must be aware, like most of the students are traveling to Canada, since the Canada offering students to complete their education, and later on they can file their PR and settle down. So that is the reason we have keep that in our mind while offering the programs to the international students. So students are able to get a post-study work permit after completion of their education. Moving further, as I told you, we have been offering programs at the Montreal campus with the 3 different level of educations, that is called DEC, AEC, and DEP. Now, what is DEC, AEC, and DEP? So looking at the other colleges in Canada, like out of the Quebec, so whenever a student applies to any of the college, he might be getting options like undergraduate diploma, postgraduate diploma, advanced diploma, and bachelor degree. But coming to Quebec specifically, so Quebec Ministry of Education using their own terminology, and which is known as DEC, AEC, and DEP. So first level of education is DEC, that is known as pre-university program. So these programs are mostly for 3 years. So students who have completed grade 12, they are eligible for these particular programs. And after completion of these 3 years of DEC program, they can move further with their education to university. So credits are transferable. So that's how, if they are looking for the option of program equivalent to bachelor degree, they can go for the DEC options at the Montreal campus. Second, we have AEC, that is known as Association of Collegiate Studies. So AEC programs are mostly for 2 years. So students who have completed grade 12 or more than that education, like grade 12 plus 3 or 4 years of bachelor's or master's as well, those students are eligible for 2 years of AEC program, that is equivalent to postgraduate diploma. And third that we have is a DEP level program. So DEP are mostly known as vocational training programs. So those students who are willing to make their career in a vocational training like cooking, makeup, and all manicure, pedicure, this kind of programs that we have been offering at the Montreal campus at the level of DEP. So these are the 3 different level of education that we have been offering at the Montreal campus. Now moving further, the program that we offer in the different field for education, starting with we have a programs in the field of fashion, art, design. Then we have a programs in the hotel management, tourism, business, technology, education, and social sciences. Then we have a programs in the field of VFX and game design, digital arts, beauty, and interior designing. So overall, we have a more than 45 programs that we have been offering at the Montreal campus at the different 3 level AEC, DEC, and DEP. And most of the programs DEC that we offer are for 3 years. So students are able to get up to 3 years of post-study work permit on that. Talking about the AEC, most of the programs are for 2 years. Again, students are able to get up to 3 years of post-study work permit on that. We have a very few programs. Those are the certificate programs for only 1 or 2 semesters. So in that scenario, only students are unable to get the post-study work permit since the hours are less. Otherwise, almost all the programs are eligible to get the post-study work permit. Now, talking about the student resources, so LaSalle College do provide more facility to students to get ample of job opportunity in the respective field. So we have a resources like portfolio making, career services, documentation center, where we have been helping the students as well as our graduates and alumni also help the students to build up their portfolios, and they can meet the company representatives and present themselves to get ample of job opportunities in their respective field. Also, we have a free Wi-Fi service at our Montreal campus for all our students taking their education at the LaSalle College. Now, how does the post-study work permit work for the Montreal campus program? So they need to complete the two major requirements in order to receive the post-study work permit. So whenever student completes the program, after that, they have to file the post-study work permit. In order to receive the post-study work permit, the first requirement what they need to fulfill, whichever college they have completed the program from, it should be DLI registered. So talking about the LaSalle College, it's a semi-public funded college and we already have a DLI registration. What is DLI registration? So DLI full form is Designated Learning Institute. It means the college LaSalle is government verified. And second thing, our Montreal campus is already affiliated with the Quebec Ministry of Education. So that is the reason that most of our programs are eligible to get the post-study work permit. Second requirement, in order to receive the post-study work permit, says that whichever program the student has completed should be at least 900 hours or 8 to 9 months. So if the student has completed at least one semester and if the program is completing a 900 hours, then student is able to receive the post-study work permit. So these are the two major requirements: DLI registration of the college and the minimum 900 hours of program there to receive the post-study work permit from the government. So that's how we are fulfilling these two requirements in order to get the post-study work permit to students. Now, these are the few programs that we have mentioned over here. On the left-hand side, we have a list of the programs that we offer at the level of DEC. As you can see, most of the programs are having the 6 semester. That means 3 years program that we have been offering at the DEC level. On the right-hand side, we have a few short-term certificate programs. Mostly we offer it to the domestic students, but as well as international students are eligible to apply for that. And one program that we have mentioned at the DEP level, that is a professional cooking. So later on, I will share you the updated list of all the programs that we have been offering at the Montreal campus with the 3 different level: AEC, DEC, and DEP. Now talking about the requirements. So as of now, majorly students are coming from the India. So we accept students for all of the 3 different programs with the different requirements. Talking about the first DEC program. So students who have completed at least grade 12, they are eligible for the DEC programs. Secondly, we need students to have at least 50% aggregate in their academic. So whether the student has completed 10 plus 2 12 grade, other than that 12 plus 3 years of diploma, 12 plus 3 or 4 years of bachelor's, we require them to complete that education with the minimum 50% aggregate. After that, we have a program in the field of business and technology. So for those particular programs, we are looking for the mathematics score minimum 50 marks. So if the student is looking for the programs in the business and technology field, he should score mathematics 50 marks. So we are not going specifically for the 10th mathematics marks or 12th mathematics marks. It should be, I mean, irrelevant to any of their academic, but we need any of their course curriculum having a mathematics with 50 marks in order to file the application for business and technology programs. Other than that, we do accept English proficiency test. The first standard test that we accept is IELTS, and second one is Duolingo. So we accept IELTS for the DEC program, overall 6 band, but writing module specifically 6.5 band. So if student is scored 6.5 writing and overall 6 band, is eligible to file the application for DEC program. And if the student is applied for the Duolingo, then we require to score minimum 105 or more than that. So these are the major standard requirements to file the application for the DEC program. Talking about the AEC and DEP programs having the similar requirements. Again, we accept academic score 50 percentage. Students should score mathematics 50 if they want to go for the business or technology programs. But we have a different requirement in terms of the English proficiency test. So students who have completed grade 12 or more than that, like bachelor's or master's, we accept them with the IELTS score overall 6, one module 5.5. That means non-SDS category. So I hope you guys must be aware like what is SDS and non-SDS. So the SDS category says student direct stream category, which means students should score overall 6 band, individual modules 6 band. That means writing, speaking, listening, reading 6, overall 6 band. That is the SDS category. And non-SDS general category says if student score one module 5.5 overall 6 band, he is eligible to file under the non-SDS category. So that's how our minimum requirement for the AEC and DEP is non-SDS category. That is overall 6 band, one module 5.5. If student is not appeared for the IELTS, we again accept Duolingo here, and the minimum score accepted is 90 or more than that. So these are the standard requirements for the DEC, AEC, and DEP. Now we have a few more requirements like in terms of the backlog. So those students who have completed diploma, bachelor's, or master's, we accept up to 15 backlog in order to accept the application. And for the educational gap, those students who have completed their education and after that they are having the educational gap of 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 7 years. So standard requirement is to accept up to 5 years with the relevant work experience. But if the student is having more than 5 years, like 7 years, 8 years, or 10 years, we will definitely accept, but that depends on case to case. So we will go with the other factors as well, like IELTS score, academic percentage, mathematics score, if they want to go for the business technology program. And on the basis of that, we will be able to evaluate and confirm the student whether he is eligible or not if the student is having a more than 5 years of gap. So these are the requirements in order to submit the application for the Montreal campus program. Second, we have a very simple application process that you have to submit all the information through our LaSalle College portal online application, and later on you need to submit all the documents through email to the admission team. Student has to pay minimum $50 as an application fee for all our Montreal campus program. Now moving further, few more services that we have been offering to the international students. One of them is a housing services. So those students who are looking for the housing services from the LaSalle College, we do offer housing service at the close to the Montreal campus, where we have an options available where students can get only a room without a meal. They can pay $185 per week and 650 Canadian dollars per month. If they are looking for a room with the 2 meals per day, then they have to pay 256 Canadian dollars per week and $975 per month. If they are looking for a rooms with 3 meals per day, that includes breakfast, dinner, and lunch, so they have to pay 290 Canadian dollars per week and 1090 Canadian dollars per month. So it is not like they have to book it for the month only. We have an option available that they can book it for 1 week, 2 week, 3 week. I mean, whatever time they want to be, that they can book it for that. But in order to get this service, as soon as they plan their travel to Canada, specifically to LaSalle College, they have to inform us, and then we can provide this housing services to the international students. Now, other than that, we have a few more services, including with the airport pickup. So we do provide airport pickup to our international students. They have to pay for that 135 Canadian dollars. Students who are looking for the airport drop, they have to pay 60 Canadian dollars. Also, we provide a guardianship. So you must be aware that students who are having a below 18 years of age, they require a guardianship to continue or to complete their education in Canada. So we do provide guardianship. For the very first month, they have to pay 310 Canadian dollars, and rest of the each month until they complete their education, they have to pay 110 Canadian dollars. Now we have a placement fee that we charge on the international students. That is the 200 Canadian dollars. So why do we charge for the placement fee? So at Montreal campus, the programs that we have been offering at the level of AEC and DEC, all the programs are having a co-op. That means all the programs are having an internship where we provide a mandatory internship. Students can go and complete their project at the specific company, and they can make their own references and contacts in order to generate a more job opportunity in their respective field. But for a side, if they required help from the college, then we do provide a placement service to the international students where they can go and meet the particular companies, and in order to get these opportunities they have to pay non-refundable 200 Canadian dollars. Again, in Quebec government also helping international students to get more job opportunities in their respective fields by making career days every 6 months. So career days means they can go and visit the companies for the job opportunity. So that's how, if they required help from the LaSalle College, they have to pay this non-refundable placement fee $200. Otherwise, they can get this co-op internship, and through that also they can make more contacts and references to generate a more job opportunity. So that's for the Montreal campus. Moving further with the second campus, which is located in the British Columbia province, Vancouver City. So at Vancouver campus, we have been offering all the programs are the creative programs. So as you can see, we have been offering programs like game design, VFX, graphic designing, audio and film designing, interior designing, fashion designing, culinary arts. So these are the creative programs that we have been offering only at the Vancouver campus. So students who are looking to complete their education and to make their career in this respective field, they can apply to the Vancouver campus, LaSalle College. This campus was founded in 1998, and we are already affiliated with the Art Institute of Vancouver since 2017. Students who have completed at least grade 12, they are eligible, or more than that, they are eligible to file their application for any of this program. We have been offering programs at the two different level at our Vancouver campus. The first one is the diploma level, and the second one is the 3 years bachelor degree level. If student wants to go for the diploma level, we required IELTS minimum score overall 6 band. And if they want to go with the bachelor degree 3 years program, we require IELTS score minimum overall 6.5 band. The total number of strength of the students are 1,500 at present at the Vancouver campus. And out of that, we have almost 550 students are the international. The average classroom having a strength of 14 students, and we have a more than 120 staff who has been working and giving the education to all of the students at the Vancouver campus. Now, this is the brief glance of the Vancouver campus, where the students are taking their education in these different fields. So starting from the left side, the first program that we have is Associate of Arts. So Associate of Arts, it's a diploma program for 2 years, and students are able to get up to 3 years of post-study work permit on that. Other than that, we have a program in the field of audio and film, culinary arts, game design, VFX, graphic designing, fashion designing, and interior designing. As you can see, we have mentioned some of the programs in the yellow color. So the reason being, some of the programs are a bachelor degree level program for 3 years, and Associate of Arts, it's the only program at the diploma level. But we have mentioned these programs or highlighted in a yellow color because these are the only programs that are eligible to get post-study work permit. So at very first place that I told you that LaSalle is a semi-public funded college, and coming to the Quebec, they have a different requirement in order to get the post-study work permit. But out of Quebec, if the college is semi-public funded, then diploma programs are not able to get the post-study work permit. So clearly that is already mentioned on the Government of Canada website. So as you can see, the LaSalle College is already having a DLI registration. Our DLI number is 0192754266742, and we have already published our programs which are eligible to get the post-study work permit. As you can see, Associate of Arts, bachelor degree in graphic designing, bachelor degree in interior designing, game programming, and bachelor degree in fashion designing. So these are the only programs eligible to get post-study work permit. So students who are willing to make their career with these respective programs, They can complete these programs and get the up to 3 years of post-study work permit, and afterwards they can file the PR and settle down. So what about the other students if they are going for the diploma programs, which are not mentioned or highlighted in the yellow color? So for those students, the only option is available as soon as they complete their education from the Vancouver campus LaSalle College, they should have a job in their hand. So they won't be eligible to file post-study work permit if they don't have a job opportunity. Once they get a job, they are eligible to file the post-study work permit, and later on they are eligible to file the PR as well. So this is the only option available for the students if they are going for the diploma level programs at the Vancouver campus. Now, talk about the bachelor degree programs. So we have been offering bachelor degree programs for 3 years, which I told you. And in total, we have a 180 credits for all of our programs. We have been offering internship with all the bachelor degree programs, but we have a specific program that is called interior designing. It includes the 6 months of internship. So students who are willing to go for this particular program will be having the 6 months of internship. Irrespective to other programs, they will be having an internship, but not specifically for 6 months. They might be having an internship for whether 3 months, 4 months, 2 months, but interior designing would be having a compulsory 6 months of internship. Now, how does the application process work for the Vancouver campus program? So firstly, they need to submit their academic documents. Secondly, they have to pay the application fees of 150 Canadian dollars. For our Montreal campus, application fees only 50 Canadian dollar, but at Vancouver campus, it is 150 Canadian dollars. Why? Because we charge $100 more in order to evaluate their profile. So students have to submit their academic documents as well as they have to submit the essay of 250 words, like a career goals, why they want to go for this specific program, and as well as they have to appear for the math placement test if they want to go for the bachelor degree program, specifically for visual and game programming. So because of these two reasons, we are charging the assessment fee of more 100 Canadian dollars, and rest of 50 Canadian dollars we are charging as an application fee. If the student has completed his education and having any sort of work experience related to these programs, he can submit his portfolio, and that will again help him to get admission easily at the Vancouver campus. We are having the different 4 intakes for our Vancouver campus program. Those are the January, April, July, and October. As of now, all our programs are open for the January intake at the Vancouver campus. Second point, which I would like to mention here, that we do offer conditional letter, but that is only for the Vancouver campus programs. We don't offer conditional letter for our Montreal campus program. If student wants to go with the Montreal campus program, he has to submit and complete the proper application in order to receive the offer letter. But at Vancouver campus, we definitely will provide the conditional letter with the payment of 3,000 Canadian dollar deposit, and later on they can submit the pending document in order to complete the application. So that's the application process for our Vancouver campus. Now, these are the programs which I have already informed that we have been offering at the Vancouver campus in the field of auto, film, culinary arts, game design, VFX, graphic designing, fashion, interior designing, and associative arts. Now, talking about the scholarship, so we do provide scholarship to the international students, but again, we provide scholarship for our Vancouver campus programs only. We don't offer scholarship for our Montreal campus program. So how they can apply and get the scholarship? So all the students are eligible to file in order to receive the scholarship at the very first place. But once they submit their documents, this 200 words of essay, portfolio, after the evaluation, or I would say the proper assessment criteria, we will be able to notify whether the student is eligible to get the scholarship or not. If the student is eligible to receive the scholarship, then definitely student can get up to 20% scholarship on the total tuition fee. So after the assessment, we will be able to tell you that the student is eligible to receive the 5%, 10%, 15%, or maximum up to 20% scholarship on the total tuition fee, whether it is for 2 years program or 3 years bachelor degree program. Now moving with the last slide, that these are the few credentials that will make you to understand why the LaSalle Vancouver campus is the best option for the international students to complete their creative programs. So LaSalle College Vancouver has been already named twice back to back in 2017 and 18 by the Princeton Reviews in Canada as the first undergraduate school for the video game designing. So that is the level of education that we have been offering to the international student. Secondly, for our program that is known as the hello.
Hi, you have been cut off, so
Yeah, actually, I'm extremely sorry for this inconvenience. I'm facing some trouble with my internet.
there's no problem.
Yeah, so again, I'm not able to share my screen.
We will fix it quick.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, somebody will make you host, but
Yeah, I'm still unable to share my screen. I think
Okay, so maybe now it's good. Can you hear me?
I hope it's visible now.
Yes, perfectly. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, we can see your
Yeah.
screen.
Yeah. Thank you. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. So I was talking about the facility and the resources that we have been providing to the international students to complete their respective program at the Vancouver campus. So for that, we have a drama studio. Also, we have a maker space for the fashion design and interior designing. Plus, we have a photography lab and science lab and the open lab for the students to carry out the practical sessions. Uh, Last but not the least, again, I told you that we have been already ranked as the first school for the game design by the Christian Review back to back in 2007 and 18. Also, we have already received a few more certificates for our programs like VFX design, fashion design, and the interior design as well. So this is one of our alumni, Judge Findlay, who has been nominated for the Oscar for his contribution to the Tom Raider Hollywood movie. And one more of a graduate back in 2004, Evan Fraser, who received the Oscar for the VFX. He has been done for the Harry Potter movie. So in and all, at last, I would like to say, like, the Salle College has been helping international students to build up their career in the Canada and to get more job opportunities in their respective fields. And that's how the students can settle down easily in Canada. So that's all from my side. Now, if you guys are having any sort of questions relevant to the Vancouver campus, Montreal campus, admission process, program details, anything, you can ask me. So we can have a Q&A on that. Hello, Lucy, are you there?
Yes, yes. If you
Yeah.
guys have any question, please put it in the Q&A box or in the discussion. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so maybe check in your discussion or in your current air box if there are any question.
Sure.
So why are you charging assessment fees and when is it to be paid?
Okay, usually we don't charge any sort of amount as an assessment fees. Student has to pay directly the application fees. So for Montreal campus programs, they have to pay the 50 Canadian dollars. And if they want to go for the Vancouver campus programs, they need to pay 150 Canadian dollars. And they have to pay this amount as soon as they submit their application.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Is anybody else have a question? Please feel free to make it in the box. Oh, you have a question. What are the total fees for the year for a 3-year bachelor degree?
Yeah. So for 3 years bachelor degree programs at the Vancouver campus, our normal fee structure would be 50,000 Canadian dollars. Since those are the creative programs, they require a lot of practical sessions and the guidance for that. So that is the reason we have a fee structure for 3 years. Hello, Lucy.
Yes, you have been cut off.
Yeah. So I guess nobody is having any more questions as of now.
We don't have understand your answer to the last question because you have been cut off.
Okay. Okay. So regarding the fee structure for the 3 years bachelor degree programs.
Concerning the total fees for a year, yes.
Yeah, so I said that, if the student is going for the 3 years bachelor degree program at the Vancouver campus, the normal fee structure is 50,000 Canadian dollars for 3 years, since it requires a lot of practical sessions. So for this creative programs, but if the student is going for the DC program at Montreal campus, then the normal fee structure for the whole 3 years is 40,000 Canadian dollars approximately.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess we have one more question. Is the application fee the same for, yeah. So the only difference is if the student is applying to Montreal campus, either Montreal campus or Vancouver campus, then the fee structure would differ. Otherwise, for all the programs at the Montreal campus, the application fee is $50. For all the programs at the Vancouver campus, the application fee is 150 Canadian dollars.
Okay.
And
So
we have a very quick application process. So if the student is applying to the Montreal campus, it will take only 3 to 4 working days, except a weekend, to issue the offer letter. So as soon as we receive the application, we will issue the offer letter within 3 to 4 working days. For Vancouver campus, again, it takes 6 to 7 working days.
Okay, thank you. So if there's no more question, I have add your email address to the chat
Yes.
so everybody can see it if you have one more question. And Mr. Patel, thank you for your time and thank you for your presentation.
My pleasure. Thank you so much, everyone, for your patience and having me. It was really great having you here and for this wonderful session of LaSalle College. Thank you so much, Lucia, for your insights.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye, everyone. Bye.